Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Power Saver mode on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Power Saver mode is a low power sleep mode for Kindle. When in Power Saver mode, your Kindle will take a little longer to wake up, but the battery will last longer. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. Choose Advanced Options from the bottom of the list. Then tap Power Saver. Here you can tap Enable and Disable to turn Power Saver on and off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.